Hey there! Ever feel like your kitchen is just shrinking? Like every time you open a cabinet, things threaten to tumble out? You are definitely not alone. Small kitchens can feel incredibly cluttered and honestly, pretty inefficient sometimes. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. Our goal today is to take that cramped space and transform it into a kitchen that feels functional, enjoyable, and maybe even a little bit spacious. We are going to do this with some smart organization tricks and clever time-saving strategies. Ready? This is perfect for storing items you use all the time, like your go-to spices, your favorite cookbooks, or your everyday dishes. It keeps them accessible and looks great too. Don't forget about the ceiling or walls. Using a pot rack is a fantastic way to hang your pots and pans. Not only does it look kind of cool, but it also frees up valuable cabinet space that those bulky items usually hog. And look behind doors. Over-the-door organizers are brilliant for storing all sorts of things. Think cleaning supplies under the sink, extra pantry items on a pantry door, or even spices on a cabinet door. It's hidden storage that uses often wasted space. Alright, before we start buying containers and dividers, there's one absolutely essential step: decluttering. You have to get rid of the stuff you don't use, don't need, or honestly, just don't love anymore. Take a good, hard look at everything. Are there expired foods lurking in the back of the pantry? Do you really need